So our next phrase is, I'll allow it.
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
So I'll allow it just means, all right, I'm fine with that. I'm going to let you do it. Now, this can be super sarcastic or not. It can be, I'll allow it, or, all right, I'll allow it. Fine, I'll allow it. It really just depends on how you use it, but it's definitely kind of like a power play, because you're saying that you're going to allow it as if you are the person who gets to make all the decisions and you get to decide like what happens, which, I mean, you know, usually isn't true all the time for anybody, but you're kind of like, I'll allow it, like I'm the decider. But this can be used in a fun way. I love this phrase. I use this phrase quite a bit. So someone might say something like, hey, you know what? I think we should have pizza for dinner. And you might be like, all right, I'll allow it. Which is like, just like, yes, we should. We should definitely have pizza for dinner. But you're saying I'll allow it. In that case, you're kind of being a little bit silly. But you're kind of taking over. You're kind of taking control there in like a fun way. But it is a bit of a power play. It does not mean you get to keep control. But for that 1 second, you have taken control of dinner and you've allowed it. You're just saying it's okay. It's fine for something to happen. If you're in a situation where someone's mad at you, I would not use this phrase. Nope. Because you are being like a little bit controlling, kind of in like a jokey way, but you are still being like a little bit controlling. So, you know, if you're not in good terms with someone or on good terms with someone, I do not recommend that you use this phrase. But if you just want to kind of play around and like kind of take a little bit of the power, then yeah, I mean, this phrase is fun. Or you can like actually be like a little domineering and actually trying to be in control and not be joking about it and be like, I'll allow it. Someone could even ask you, maybe if you're in a situation where people really ask you questions, because you really are in charge, and they might say, hey, is it okay if we leave early today? Yeah, okay, I'll allow it. Now in that case, that's a little mean. I wouldn't want a boss that said I'll allow it in that way, because that is really, really controlling. So this can be jokey fun. Hey, you want to have pizza for dinner? I'll allow it. Or, you know, it can be like a little bit more aggressive. Can we leave early today? I'll allow it. So it just kind of depends on how you choose to use it. But it can be really super sarcastic, and a little bit domineering, super, super controlling, or it can just be a little playful, a little jokey, a little bit of fun, but it all means the same thing, and it all just means I'm okay with it. Yes, let's do this. Answering in the affirmative. That's all it is.